Hi guys, this is Leslie aka Makoa from South Bison Automation Office in partnership with HP. I'm here in TLO with Janelle. We were installing the Riso SF5030. Janelle, can you please tell us how the machine?
Hi,
So now we're doing 150 copies. Janelle's first test of the device. Are you happy with that copy? Right. So now you can print your 150 copies. Right. Riso SF5030 installation up in Lephalale, TLL Secondary School. 160 pages a minute. Ink gives you an approximate of 20,000 impressions. Master depends on your usage. Very good machine. Cheapest form of printing. Get in touch with South Bison Office Automation for more information. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Right. Make it go faster. Right. Now, before we put any consumables in, I want you to understand how the machine works. What makes it work. So this device here is a manual and pneumatic system, right? So it uses a master, right, and it uses an ink. So what it does, it makes a copy one by one. You're gonna come, you're gonna put it on A4 here, A4 there. It's in the middle of the thing, of the scanner class, right? The scanner is gonna come and scan this here. It's going to send it to the thermal head, which is over here, the thermal print head, which is over here. Right, you can unlock it manually. When the machine is on, there's a very easy way to unlock it, right? Okay, so the master will be sitting here. Okay, master will be sitting here, and then it's going to send that message for this to burn that message onto the master. Okay, when you get a master, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. You see the master facing that way. This one here faces the opposite way and it leans over. Right? So you're going to unlock it here, okay? And then this side here, which is the master reader is over here, and then the chip to read is over here. You're going to put this in there, and then you're going to lock it in like that. And you're going to hear the click. Right? So it's a new master. You're going to unwrap it like this here. Okay? And then your master must come and sit under this blue thing. So you're going to pull it outside here, and then you're going to release it in like that. Right? Once it's there and the machine is on and you close this here, the machine will adjust exactly where the master should sit. Okay? So, it's okay. Right. Close. Here you click. When the machine is on, it will go beep beep to show you to say I've accepted. It will hit it nicely and it will go beep beep. Yeah? And then you know now. You can what? Close. Understand? Open this side here. Just take those out. Yeah, you can take it out and then just open the flaps there. You're going to move your guides down to A4. That's it. And you're going to move this one to A4. Perfect. Unlock the drum here. Perfect. Right. And then the master side, I want you to unlock it again. So this is what you do if your machine is off and you can't lock it when the machine is on. Then that's how you manually unlock it. Okay. This panel, right? Take out the paper then. It will show you number 1. Put your paper back on. open this door here, it will show you number 2. Right? If you take out the ink, it will show you number 3. So the machine will always point you in the right direction, right? So now that the machine is on, you don't have to use the screwdriver anymore. Blue means go. So now you just place this here, and you pull, and you open your drum. Right? So you see your drum is still no ink on it. So we need to do the inking procedure, which is we put it into test mode, and then we run 887. Right? Okay? Right? So number 4 now. This side here, now you want to open here, you push this. This one here, you always have to push it unless there's an error here. And then you open the door, you can straight away finish it. But usually, you have to push it, and then you unlock it like that there, and that's your master set. You know how to put it in your master set. Right? So remember I was telling you that you're going to adjust it down. Right? Let's take this master back, put your master in. Close it there. There you are. See, it will adjust and then it will communicate with you to say good. Now you can close your master section. So this is your ink, right? This is your ink. You just open it there, right? Okay, it's very thick and messy, so you don't want to get it on your hand, right? But if you're using it right, you won't get anything on your hand. Because if you do, you're going to enjoy trying to take it out, right? Okay? It's got a guide here that comes over here, right? You see this position, that's the lock position. So you're going to push your ink in like that there, and then you're going to lock it. Right? Unlocking is the opposite way. Easy, isn't it? Locked. Right. Okay. So what happens is the image is going to be scanned. It's going to be the thermal head is going to cut. It's going to make little dots on that master. Only where those little dots, where it's burnt, those little dots to the words that are on this image here. That's the only place where it seeps through on the master, right? And then the master is going to come with the screwdriver. And then once the master has been burnt to your specifications, the master is going to come and it's going to wrap around the drum here, right? It's going to open like that then, it's going to accept the master, and then it's going to turn and attach the master onto the drum until it comes, right? And then you're going to instruct it to 20 copies. And it's going to do 20 copies in lightning speed. Right? So, if there's a master on here and you want to unlock the master, you push this button here, you hold the master, you take the master out there, and then you push this one here so you can turn this here while you're holding the master here, and it comes out so that you don't have to be what? Messy. You understand? Right? Okay, so now we need to put in the codes to, so what happens is once it's made, then it's going to feed the paper from this side here, okay, down the side, feed the paper from this side here, over here you've got feed and pick up rollers here, right, feed and pick up rollers here, and your paper is going to sit here, right, A4 to A4. When you're changing the paper size, always remember to unlock these two tabs and then you put it on. And you lock it. Don't try and push it in place. Pull it. Right? This knob here, you see this one here? Please tell people not to touch it. Okay? It's not a toy. Right? Let's imagine you put your master. Okay? Right? It's taking the old master out. Getting ready to put the new one in. Right? Right? is a perfect example, right? Because it's got a lot of dark there, see? So if you find it's dark like this here, what you want to come and do, you want to come and lighten the copy. You want to tell the drum not to push out too much ink, right? So default is on 3. When you lighten, you can go to 2 to 1, right? Okay, let's imagine there was a picture here, okay? Before you make your copy here, if there was a picture, you would come here, right? You see here it's text, there's picture. So you'd come there and you'd say, it's got a picture or it's got text and picture on this here, so that the drum knows just how much ink to put on it. You understand? You have to tell your machine what you require of it, right? Okay. And then if you've got a text and a picture, and the pictures are small and you think that they're not going to come out nice, you're going to come here, okay? This is dots per inch now. The bigger the dot, the less clear the picture is. The smaller the dot, the more clearer the picture is. You understand? You'll use this one here when you're doing pictures, right? And here as well, you can lighten the copy again. Okay? You can make it lighter, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to set default there, right? And then we're going to come, we're going to put A4. You do it, because me, I'm going just now. It's your machine now, right? You're going to come, it must be A4 there, right? Right? A4 there, and then you're going to close here, right? And there you are. Remember, blue means go. Press your blue button. See? Making master. So now it's scanning, and what it's scanning, it's sending it to that master maker. You hear that sound? That's the old master now being removed from the drum and put into this waste master. Right? And now the new master is going onto the drum. Right? One day when this machine is a bit older, we'll remove the front cover and I'll show you exactly how that whole thing comes. Now we're not going to do that on the machine. Right? Are you happy with your picture quality? Right? So now you're going to select how many copies you want to make. 3 only. Let's say 20. Don't be like that. Let the machine run.
3.
So now it's being fed here. Brenna, what's going wrong there? Right. So the guides are not set nicely. It comes out nicely. Okay. Any questions? Right. So another thing that I want to show you. Okay. One day you're going to have a copy. Right? You're going to have a copy. And it's going to be right at the edge here. And that's where the words are going to be. Right at the edge there. You understand? What you come and do then, you come and you push it down here. Put it on 94. And then you make your copy. Right? What that does there is that the machine will shrink the image in, so that these words are no longer right at the edge, but they moved in slightly. Okay? One day you're going to want to make an A3 copy. So A3 is basically just 2 A4s. Or you're gonna want to make an A3 copy, or you're gonna want to do 2 pages per sheet, right? So you're gonna come, you're gonna put them here. You're gonna come, you're gonna put them here on A3 and A3, straight like that thing. Let's say it's an A3 sheet of paper, right? And then you're gonna come here to your settings and look, right? You're gonna come down to 71, right? You're gonna come down to 71. Right, you're going to make your master
Number.
So now if you look here, the scanner is going to go right to the end there. It's going to scan everything. Right? Right? So you've told it that it's an A3, but you want to make it into an A4. Right?
Yes, William. Yeah, wait.
2 pages per sheet. See that? Obviously they're upside down, but you get the idea. Yeah? You like that? It'll save paper, time, and energy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? When you're doing homework, you do 2 pages per sheet and then you save paper. Right. Add paper in this section here. Right, so these guys they need to come a bit closer. And just give it a little bit of room and you rock it in. If you want to add more paper, you push this button in, so your tray goes down. Right? Then you come, so you can add 1,000 sheets of paper in this section. And straightening the paper using the finger, right? You see that?
Can you check that other page? It's not sitting right, yeah.
Perfect. Now, you're going to press the blue button there. Right. Yeah. Go. Go faster. Make it go faster. Press there. Make it go faster. Press again. One sec. I like that speed. So now we're doing 150 copies. Daniel's first test of the device. Proper test. Right. Make it go faster. Oh, good, good.